Welcome to the new episode of Statistical Computing. In this session I am going to discuss about what is median, the formula to find the median, and the advantages and disadvantages of median. Let's see about median. Median is the statistical term that is one way of finding the average of set of data points. The median is the middlemost number in a sorted list of numbers. It may be in ascending or descending sorted order. If there is an odd amount of number, then the median value is the number that is in the middle position in the list. To determine the median value in a sequence of numbers, the numbers must first be sorted or arranged in a value order from lowest to highest or highest to lowest order. The formula of median. The median can be used to determine an approximate average, and it is denoted by symbol m, and it is given by, in case of simple series, m is equals to n plus 1 divided by tooth value of observation in ascending order. In case of ungrouped frequency distribution, m is equals to capital N plus 1 divided by tooth value of observation in cumulative frequency. In case of ungrouped frequency distribution, there is a two-step procedure. The first step is to find median class is equals to class in which n by tooth observation lies, and step 2 to apply the median formula for the class frequency distribution. M is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into C, where L is equals to lower boundary point of median class, CF is equals to cumulative frequencies of preceding class of the median class, F is equals to frequency of median class, and the C is equals to class length of the current median class. You can watch my next video to find the step-by-step procedure to determine the median. I will give the link in the description box. After watching that video, you are able to perform this exercise. Let's see the advantages of median. It is easy to understand and calculate. In case of simple series, if odd numbers of observation are given, so by simply finding the middlemost value from the given series, you can represent that number as the median. It is not affected by extreme values. So extreme values are the smallest and the largest value. It is a spatial average used in qualitative phenomena like intelligence or beauty. In group of frequency distribution, it can be graphically located by drawings. It is useful in open and distribution, since the position rather than the value of item that matters in the median. Disadvantages: in simple series, the item's value have to be arranged in specific order. It is a less representative average because it does not depend on all the item in the series. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment. It is affected more by sampling fluctuation than the mean, as it is concerned with only one item, which is the middlemost item in the given series.